Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Adobe Express logo templates for fast social branding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Express on your device. Click on the templates section at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type logo to find logo templates. Browse through the available logo templates and choose one that fits your brand. Click on the selected template to open it in the editor. Customize the text by clicking on the text boxes. Replace the placeholder text with your brand name and slogan if needed. Change the font by selecting the text and choosing a different font style from the top menu. Adjust the font size and color to match your brand's identity. If desired, add or change icons by clicking on the icons option in the sidebar. Search for relevant icons that represent your brand and drag them into your logo. To change the background, click on the background area and choose a color or image. You can also apply effects or filters to enhance your logo's appearance. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the download button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Select the appropriate resolution for social media use. Click on Download to save the logo template to your device. Now you can easily use your logo across various social media platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.